Yes, hi there, this is Eric. In this video, I'm going to briefly introduce you into our project management system that we're using. It's called Zoho Projects. When you join the company, you're going to get an email from us, or you must have received an email from us with a link so that you can go ahead and log in into your account for Zoho. So this page briefly shows what my account looks like when I log in there. For the very first time. Once you log in, you have your work calendar. You can go ahead and add things into your work calendar right here. If you want to, you can look for what is on your calendar. It starts on a Sunday and ends on a Saturday. Your log calendar, you can even export whatever you want to do. On the left hand side, you see the different projects that we have going on. At this time, we have just one project here, and the number of users that we have. I'm logging as an administrator or a project manager, so I can add in a new user if I need to. So at some point, we're going to become a project manager, which we will assign you the password and everything to be able to do that. So let me just go ahead and click on the project that we have here, which is the deal locator project. When I click on it, you see the things that need to be accomplished on Monday, October 15th. Like writing 3 articles, creating 5 blogs, social posting a certain link and all that. And so if you click on any of them, it's going to give you details about what it's all about. This really gives me details of all the things that I need to do on that day. You can go ahead. Let me go ahead and go back to the previous page. Or it locked me out completely. So again, this is our project here. This is on the dashboard. So documents, if you had added any documents, like you wrote an article, it will be right here. Forums, if you have a question or a comment or anything like that, you can post them right here. Latest project activity, it tells us exactly what you did and at what time. Everything is written right there. So on your tasks and milestones, for every project there is something that you need to accomplish by a certain time. And if you look at it here, you see the tasks based on the user. So let me pick this user right here, Abongmima. But you're going to notice that they have to market the task that they need to do. They need to market the upload dinosaur, write 3 articles, and social post something. And then they are also, if you click on your upcoming milestones, you see that by February 19 they would have finished marketing certain things. So those are milestones. If you have not completed your milestones, it's going to show up on the overdue. The completed milestones will be there in the completed milestones section. So if you want to add in a new milestone, just click on new milestone, and then you can add in a new milestone here. If you want to add in a new task list, you can add in something. Maybe you need to market something, you need to create a new website or something, you can add it right there. If you want to add in a new task, you can also include it there. If you want to export something, it can be exported there. So everything is pretty easy. You have everything on your right there in front of you. So look at the calendar. This really shows you the calendar for the whole week. It's really nice spread out. The tasks are right there. Once you get your mouse next to it, you're going to see the task written out for Monday, Tuesday, and you notice that on Friday there's a certain milestone there. So everything is well spread out there. And if you click on meetings, it takes you to upcoming meetings. You can add in a new meeting. If you want to meet at a certain time, you can type it in right there. If you click on documents, this one is very important. If you click on documents, you're going to see all the documents that you have on your profile. You have documents for everything, like for real estate articles, for example. All real estate articles, you want to go ahead and add a new document here. You can upload a new file. Let's say you had created an article. You want to go ahead and browse on your computer to find the article, then you can upload it. into the system. It's important for you to add a comment when you upload a file, and a file tag is like a keyword. Let's say you wrote an article about home inspection. You want to type in home inspection here so that when you come later on to search for the article or to search for something, you can easily find it. Remember, you can search for any file that you have. You can, if you type in on the search, in the search here, you can search for it. The next section that you have here is your timesheet. This tells you exactly how much time you've spent during the week, and you'll be paid based on this. The next one is the reports. It gives you reports of the different things that you've completed. One other important one that we have here is a forum. If you have any question within your team, you can post in a new forum. Like, you can type in a question there, or maybe you discover something new that is exciting. Just type it in there. Some other people are going to learn from it. As we said, you have to spend the first 15 minutes of your day learning something new. Just go to YouTube. If you are doing link building, just type in link building. You're going to pick up a new video that tells you something about link building, for example. So you learn there. You can just write it there. I learned about link building using social poster. They write the content. If you have any links, you can put in the websites there and everything. And then the next tab is the users. On my screen, you're going to see 3 users. If you're the project manager, you're going to have all the users right there in front of you. And the last tab, but not the least, is the quick create tab, which you can create anything there: task, a user, a milestone, upload a file, or whatever you want to do. And the account settings, if you don't like the colors that you have, you can always change the colors. You can choose a skin. A skin is just like the color of your skin. So you can, if you want it to be blue, green, or whatever color you want. You can change your password. You can upload your photo, your picture if you want to, and things like that. And then on the accounts, this just tells us the different plans that we can get. And then there's a help function. If you have any question, just click on the help function. It's going to take you to the different things, how-tos, how do I set up a project, milestones, calendar, and everything. But it's very easy. It's just what I showed you on the video already. So this is what we're going to be using throughout for all our projects. On the left hand side, you always find a project there. Hope this was helpful. Talk to you later. Thank you.